What's up everyone, this is Sam and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to finally share with you guys the stuff that I got in the 17 pallets that I purchased a couple weeks ago. The stuff actually came in last week, but I've been a little bit busy and I fell behind on some other projects that I've been working on, so I wasn't able to get the video out sooner for you guys to share with you guys what I was able to receive. Anyways, just to let you guys know, this video is going to be a little jumpy, and what I mean is that I'm going to be switching between different videos that I recorded at different times, just because I wasn't able to kind of get everything together at once because there were a lot of items that arrived. You know, you can only imagine 17 pallets worth of items is a lot of items to sit there and just make individual videos for. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe and like button. Leave a comment, let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned because I'm going to show you guys what I got coming right up. Alright guys, so here's the first product that I wanted to share with you guys. This is a DeWalt 3-piece stackable toolbox. I got about 10 of these and I've been selling these for about $100 to $120 each. The second one is the Stanley toolbox. These ones are also stackable. I got about 8 of these and I've been selling these for $50 each. And lastly, I got about 10 of these DeWalt radio tough systems. These ones are pretty sweet. They're all brand new. And when I checked them on Home Depot, these have been going for about $220 each. I've been selling these for about $200 to $180 at the lowest. We're having 10 of those. That's about $2,000 right there. 8 of these at $50. That's about, let's see, that's another $400 right there. Correct me if my math is wrong. Sorry guys, I just got off work. And these ones, I had 10. Let's say average $100 each. That's another grand. And as you guys can see, I have one more of those DeWalt toolboxes left, and another one of those Stanley toolboxes as well. I also got a bunch of small stuff like these plumbing items. These ones I'll be taking to the swap meet with me and probably sell these for 2 for $5 or maybe 3 for 10, something like that, so I can get rid of them real fast. There were also a bunch of these little gas hoses too. These ones are hot items at the swap meet and they go really quickly too. Here you can see more items, more smaller items I'll be taking to the swap meet. I have a bunch more of these back in my storage. I wasn't able to bring them home with me because I don't really have that much space to store them here, but I have about 3 more bins of these that are just strictly hand tools that are going for anywhere from $10 to $25 per unit, and those I'll be taking to the swap meet with me because those items go really fast at the swap meet. I also got about 5 of these shop vacs. This one was a used one, but I have some that are brand new in the original packaging. The used ones I'll be taking to the swap meet and I'll be selling them for about $35 to $40 each. The brand new ones I'll be selling for $50 to $60. Also, as you can see here, I got a bunch of electrical items as well. I have these vanity lights right here. I got about 50 of these. I've been selling these for about $30 each. These fans, I had about 100 fans, which to me, honestly, I enjoy fans a lot. Some people don't like them because they're heavy, they're difficult to ship, and they cost too much to ship, so the profits really aren't that high. But for me personally, I enjoy these because I can sell them on places like OfferUp, Craigslist, and Facebook Market to people locally here in San Diego, and I can still get top dollars for these, even though you won't believe it, these fans out here cost me $6 each. Take you guys around the corner. I'll show you guys a few more items that I got. Here's another one of those DeWalt tough radio systems sitting right here to be sold. I got more fans down here, more vanity lights right here, and I got a bunch of these. Let me show you guys real fast. A bunch of these solar patio lights. I got the solar patio lights and I got the low voltage ones if you're into the wiring ones instead of the solar. But these ones are hot items too. They go really fast at the swap meet. People love these because they're easy to install and there's really not much to replace them either. These right here are the 7-inch tile wet saws. I got about 10 of these right here. These ones are retailing for about $100 at Home Depot. I have those listed at $75. Here I have more tile cutters. I have the 21-inch, which is that one right there, the yellow and black box. Then I have 14-inch ones, which are the anvils up there, and I also have 31-foot ones as well that I'll be selling. These ones, the 21 inches I'm selling for $40, the 14-inch ones I'm selling them for $25, and this 31-inch that are heavy duty I'll be selling for $100 each. And I have about 25 in total of these tile cutters alone. Some of the smaller items I got are these right here. Sorry, let me rip them off so you guys can see. These little, I have no idea what these things are called, but they look like they're used to cut in between tile. I don't know if you guys can clearly see a picture up here or not, but these ones I have listed on eBay for $25, and I've already sold 2 of them, so this is my last one. I'm hoping it'll be gone by the end of this week. And then lastly, these things I have as well. I had about 3 of these. These ones look like they're used to pull out like broken nails or screws that just won't come out. These ones again I have listed on eBay for $25, and they're pretty hot sellers too because eBay is a perfect place to sell stuff like this. You could take them to the swap meet, but you probably wouldn't get top dollar for them at the swap meet. People like to really lowball you, so I would take stuff that you're more willing to give away for cheaper prices than something like that you can get top dollar for online. Also, I got about 10 of these Bosch laser leveling cross-line lasers. These guys right here. These ones I'm selling for $40. They go about $65 new at Home Depot, and these ones are new, original packaging and everything. And then I can show you guys right here some of the other items that I got. I'm gonna pick up the camera so you guys can see. Right here I have more exterior lights, more fans, and even more exterior lights that I have. These ones all cost me $6 to purchase. These ones I have listed on OfferUp, and I'm hoping to be able to sell those by the end of this month, and so that's the plan. Alright, so here's a video I actually took of me at the swap meet. I'm going to show you guys some of the stuff that I took with me, including these items that you're seeing right now, those bin items, those tile saws that I mentioned earlier. Coming up, I have some transition pads for like when you transition from wood to tile. Some more bin items, dollar items. These bins right here, except for the last one, are my hand tools and some doorknobs that I got a lot of. Then you have these LED low voltage pathway lights, some more motion detector lights. That's a 360 work light, some flushman lights, chandeliers all the way in the back. You have some exterior lights right there, and some bathroom vanity sets. This is just a quick glance. I shot this video to kind of show you guys how much stuff that I was able to get in 17 pallets. As you can see, this is about a 400 square foot little storage, and it is basically full all the way to the top. I also got about 25 of these large husky industrial sized shelves, storage shelves that you put in a garage or in a warehouse. Those items are actually one of my favorites because those go really fast in places like OfferUp, Craigslist, Facebook Market, and you can get a lot of money for those. I have sizes ranging anywhere from 99 inch to 77 inch to I have a couple 65-inch ones. I have a lot of 48-inch ones, and they all vary, but the cheapest I'm selling them for is $65, and the most I'm selling for one is $150. Between having 25 of those, let's say I average it at $100 per unit, that's about $2,500 right there just in those shelves. And the nice thing about them is that once you sell a few of them, you start to notice a significant decline, or I guess you can say an increase in storage just in, you know, wherever you're storing them at. So that's always a bonus. But anyways, guys, that is it for this video. I know there was a lot of different footages. We had to jump back and forth, and I do appreciate you guys being patient with me on that. It's kind of hard for me to kind of take every item out and kind of show you guys what it is, because some of them are just super huge, weigh a lot, and some of them are just, there's so many of them that it's I can't really, you know, spend that much time to show you guys everything. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope that inspired you guys to want to go do something like this, whether it's smaller or, you know, just going to maybe a thrift shop, finding some stuff that you can flip on eBay, or maybe you can buy it cheap at a garage sale and sell it online in places like Facebook Marketplace. The goal of this video is to get you guys inspired, to make sure that, you know, I can show you guys how to do it and that it can be done, and hopefully that, you know, it leads to you guys actually doing it. So I hope you guys all liked this video. If you are new to my channel and haven't yet subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos like this. And if you are returning, thank you so much for the support, and I will see you guys all in the next video.